experience and innovation, quality and talent. Axes that trace our DNA and continue to guide us as we move into the future. A future where research is our compass, our guide. Because we know that diagnosis, resulting from knowledge and analysis, is the first step towards the appropriate treatment of an infectious disease. This is why we have a 20-year track record of development and solutions to identify the agents that cause them. 20 years of evolution in which 2020 marked a before and after, a turning point for the world and also for us. In the midst of uncertainty, we decided to strengthen our commitment to the pharmaceutical industry. Our new facilities, built with an investment of 30 million euros, are a sign of our transformation. 25,000 square meters of floor space, making Certest one of the largest biotechnology building complexes where sustainability and avant-garde go hand in hand. We are and remain committed to R&D&I as a strategic pillar. We have state-of-the-art laboratories and a multidisciplinary and professional team that make new advances in research possible, as well as the production and safety controls, guarantee and quality of the biochemical material developed in each of the business units that make up Certest. As such, we have succeeded in bringing our products to more than 130 countries. We work every day to promote scientific and technological innovation in the sector because we are driven by a common mission, a common goal. Contribute to the improvement of global health by providing an immediate response through human potential.